Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm so excited because today I have a really fun video for you guys. I am going to be unboxing 3 months of Beauteque beauty boxes and 3 months of Beauteque Mask Maven. So it's going to be a lot of Korean beauty. If you're into that, just keep on watching. If you're new to this channel, Beauteque is a Korean beauty subscription service where you can get 6 full-size Korean beauty products sent to you every month, or 9 masks sent to you every month. And that's something that's sent to me for review, and I've just been getting behind on it, and I figured instead of trying to overwhelm myself with a backlog of reviews, I'll just unbox everything on camera and see what you guys actually want reviews on. So that's what we're doing today. And I have April, May, and June, so let's go ahead and start with April. The April beauty box, the theme is relax and unwind, and it says, after a long hot day, it's important to relax and unwind to recover. Some ways we love to do that include soaking in a hot bath or journaling your thoughts, but our favorite is to treat yourself with skincare and body care. This month we curated a K-Beauty self-care package that will take your beauty routine to another level. Now this box I did start testing, so there are like 2 products I've tried in this box, but that's about it. The first product is, let's see, a hand cream, the same Garden Pleasure hand cream. It retails for $16. And why don't I just open it and try it out right now? It says this hand cream is non-sticky and soothing, using various flower complexes and rich nutrients. So let's try this out. So that's what it looks like. Very floral scented, but it does feel really nice. I think I pumped too much because I have some excess I can take down my arms, but I don't know that I'd pay $16 for it because it is fragranced, and fragrance does irritate me, so I don't buy a lot of fragrance lotions. Next is the Mize and Scene Damage Hair Care Treatment. It retails for $15, and this I haven't used yet, but I'm excited to use it because they sent another mask by this same brand like a year ago, and I really loved it, and I lighten my hair, so I love to treat it and, you know, make up for all the damage that I've done with the lightening. And this is sulfate-free, ammonia-free, formaldehyde-free, and has argan oil and is very nourishing, so I'm really excited about this. Next is the Rara Skin Peel Off Mask. It retails for $10. It came with 2 options. You could get the charcoal or the 24 karat gold. I got the charcoal, and I have tried this one a couple of times. It's not one of those like intensely painful peel off masks. It's actually quite gentle, and I do notice a difference with it, so I do enjoy it. It's supposed to absorb sebum, dead skin, and dirt from pores, and I do notice it's really pore clearing, so I really like this one. Next we have the Equel Lavender Foot Cream that retails for $8. I have not tried this one yet. It is supposed to be non-sticky, non-greasy, and have sunflower seed oil, pomegranate extract, and lavender extract to give you the best results of hydration and elasticity. And I probably should start using this because my feet are so dry from being like out in the sun all summer, so I'm excited to have this. Next is the Pure Derm Miracle Shape Up Buttocks Mask. It retails for $6, and this just seems like such a weird thing. A butt mask, really? And it's for acne and stretch marks and will deliver collagen and hydration to restore elasticity in sensitive skin. I don't know, man. Like, how much is a one-time use butt mask gonna make a difference on my butt? I don't know, but I'm kind of curious to try it out. It's quite interesting. Last but not least is the hair drying towel, which retails for $8. This one is wet because I just used it earlier today, and I love this. It's like one of those little turban towels you just put on your head and then you twist your hair in it and you button it back. And I really like this towel. It helps dry my hair so much faster, and it's a lot more convenient than using my big honkin' bath towel. So I really enjoy it. And that was everything for the beauty box for April. But let's take a look at the Mask Maven. This is going to be a long video with all 3 boxes, so I'm trying to go fast. The April Mask Maven is the same theme, the relax and unwind. And I'm just not going to look at the pamphlet, and I'm just going to look at what masks we got. So we got a JM Solution Marine Luminous Black Pearl Balancing Mask. We got a JM Solution Lactose Saccharomyces Golden Rice Mask. A Pure Source Pocket Pack of Aloe. A Junko's Blueberry Mask, I think this is. And then a Mugwort Mask. And a Vita Light Beam Essential Mask, and a Clear Bubble Tea Tree Mask. Ooh, I love bubble masks. Bubble masks are so fun. A Honey Mask, and another bubble mask. Ooh, I love bubble masks. I'm so excited that I got 2 of them. So that is all the masks for April. So as you can see, you get a lot of masks with your $15, and I think it's worth it, but I love masking. Then the next box is the May box, which I haven't tried anything else out of any other boxes, so this is, I've hardly even looked in these, so these, I'll be rediscovering these all over. This is Happy at Home. It says, we want to take the stress off your shoulders with what beauty products you need. Whether you're sheet masking while bathing or doing your morning beauty routine, we want to make sure you have everything covered in this month's box. So I got a body peeling spray. It was an option between 2 products, and I got the body peeling spray. I don't know what a body peeling spray is. I guess it's like a spray chemical exfoliant. Use this product once a week in place of an exfoliator. This spray gets rid of dead skin and dirt clogging the pores on your body with the peeling mist. Interesting. I'm excited about that. I love exfoliating my body. Then we got the Maison Goodnight White Sleeping Mask, which retails for $16. And I love this brand. I love their eye creams especially, so I'm excited to try this. And I have a lot of dark spots right now from breakouts because I'm one of those people where if I have a breakout, it turns into a scar and a dark spot. So because of wearing a mask, I'm getting a lot of breakouts in this area, and they're turning into dark spots. So I'm excited to have a whitening or brightening product to brighten those up. It has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and glycerin in botanical extracts, and it will brighten and hydrate your skin. So yay! Let's open it up, see. That's a pretty good size for an overnight sleeping mask. And we have an avocado body cream. So this retails for $14. It's by the same. And it's basically a, it's like a body lotion. So I could always use another body lotion. I'm excited about this. I don't typically react well to avocado in my skincare, so I might give this away just because it's Avocado, but I do love body creams. Then we have the same Fido 7 lip and eye makeup remover pads, which retail for $8.50, and it's just a little pack. I don't even know how many are in here, but it's would be great for travel. I don't use makeup wipes a lot, but I use them more when I travel, and this is a lot more convenient than my big pack of Neutrogena ones, so I'm excited about this. Then we have the pretty shiny and soft foot peeling mask, which retails for $5. I've done this one before, I'm pretty sure, and I'm pretty sure I really liked it, so I'm excited to do this again. And last but not least, we got either an eye mask or eyebrow scissors, and I got the eye mask, and it is so cute with a moon and stars on it, and I just want to see like how comfy it is. Well, I probably shouldn't put it on because I have lashes, but it feels nice and padded and comfortable, like it has a little thickness to it, and the elastic doesn't seem too tight, so that seems nice. Alright, then the masks for May. So it's still the happy at home theme. You get another one of those pocket packs in lemon. Then you get a brightening eye patch and a collagen eye patch, which I love wearing like eye masks while I'm doing my eye makeup and getting ready, and like like having the eye mask be like a shadow shield while at the same time I'm treating my under eye. I love doing that. Then we have this bubble mask, which I've done this one before. I really like it. A Cleanse Juice 1-pack Bright Shine, so I assume it's a brightening mask, a grapefruit mask, a ceramide mask, a chalk mask, and a red wine mask. So that is May. Lastly, we have June, and June is in full bloom. And they say, summer's coming and so are flowers. We want to celebrate these beauties in nature by featuring products using flowers and plants as main ingredients. Get excited for our hand-picked floral skincare, makeup, and masks this month. So first of all, we have that same hand cream, but in a hand wash, the Garden Magnolia by The Same. And this retails for $12. And I need a hand soap right now. Like, I'm out, so I'm excited. And then you get a hair scarf, which retails for $8. And I need to watch some YouTube tutorials on how to use hair scarves, because like I have no flippin' idea what to do with this or how to wear it. And then you get an Urban City stick highlighter for $12. And I love cream highlighters. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Do you see that? That is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Ooh, that is so pretty. So you got that or a contour stick. I'm so glad I got this highlight. This is so gorgeous. And then you either got the Yara Cactus Toner or the Pax Molly Rose Water Toner. I'm glad I got the Rose Water Toner because I already have the Cactus Toner. I'm still working my way through it. This retails for $18. And I hear rose is really good for your skin. I just started using a like rose hip oil on my skin at night, and I'm excited to see how that works, and having the rose toner should be good too. Then we have the Pure Derm Intensive Lip Care Gel Patches, which retail for $5. And this comes with one lip patch in here, and I always thought these were kind of fun to do, and your lips do go through a lot of abuse on a day-to-day basis, so they need extra TLC. And then the last thing is Urban City Kiss Tension Matte Lipstick in number 4 Desert Rose Beige, which retails for $10. Ooh, that is a pretty nude color. Let's swatch it next to the highlighter. Get a nice thick swatch. Look at that. That is such a pretty, like, rosy nude color. And I do like this lipstick formula. They've sent this before, but in like a bright orange shade. So I'm excited to have the same formula, but in a nude, because this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm excited. 2 makeup items in June's box. That's really fun and really exciting, because usually it's mostly like body care and skincare, so to have 2 makeup, that's so exciting. And then the In Full Bloom June masks are another mugwort mask, a rose mask, another rose mask, Milky Glow, 2 different Milky Glow masks, Essential Firming Mask, a chamomile mask. Ooh, this packaging is so pretty. This is another rose mask. And then the same brand but a different Narcissus mask. Such pretty packaging. So let me know if you guys are curious about any particular product, if you would like to see me reviewing any particular product from these 3 months, because I will work on that for you. I definitely will be saving some of these masks and some of these products that I end up not being able to use on my sensitive skin for a future giveaway, so look out for that. And if you are interested in signing up for these subscriptions yourself, you can save 25% off your first month with the code Rachel25. I don't get a commission from that. I believe it's just a tracking code to let them know that you came from my video. But that is it. I can't wait to see you guys again. I'm so excited to be back on YouTube, and I had so much fun unboxing all these goodies. Again, don't forget to let me know if you want to see any of these goodies in future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!